Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And wow, we talked about the increase in security updates every week in the Google Chrome browser. Well, I went to see if they finally had posted the security updates. And wow, I think I've never seen so many fixes in 1 week. So, according to their blog post here, look at that. The update includes 151 security fixes. And look at all the critical flaws in there. This means that last week's update was really important. And of course, if you have a Chromium browser, including Microsoft Edge, it's really important because those hundreds of security flaws are also within the Chromium browsers beneath each of the browsers that some of you might use. So this is incredible. I am again a little surprised at the high number of security flaws recently reported with the browser. And if you compare to the security flaws we see in Firefox, it's like way more. Because Firefox, when there's a new version, will have security fixes, but often like 10, 20, 30. Not really much more in general. This is in a week 150. I'm just appalled, and all of the aspects of the browser itself is affected by these critical flaws here, and a lot of high severity flaws also. This is interesting. I have the impression that there are a lot more security researchers, or maybe could they be using AI, and AI is finally finding security flaws that are way more important and more like difficult to find, but AI can find something that is more difficult to find by a human. I don't know. This is very, very interesting. And look at those critical flaws here. This one paid $43,000 to a security researcher for the GPU, out of bounds in GPU, which means that there was a flaw when writing to your graphics adapter. So make sure that you have the latest updates on Edge, Chrome, Opera, Brave, whatever you're using. I think it's super important. It's just incredible the amount of security holes in the browsers, and I can't wait to see what this week is going to bring. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.